So after getting everything back together, I went to go try and start it with the only battery that we had available at the time, and the starter just spun. The pinion did not engage, didn't push the little doohickey out. You didn't even hear it, you could just hear it spin. But now that I'm thinking about it, I know that it needs a certain amount of amperage really to kick that pinion out. And by listening to the starter, going back and listening to the video, the starter wasn't spinning as fast as it should have been. So that battery was probably not up to par for the job. The only issue is that the only other battery that is the side post. So instead of spending money on a new battery, which I will inevitably have to do, but for testing purposes right now, I went and got some side post adapters, or charge posts for stupid side post batteries. So I throw those on there, throw the battery into the E30, and it should have enough cranking amps to push the pinion out. If that's the issue, I might still have to take it off, might still have to rebuild it, who knows, but here goes nothing. Give her a shot. Stop that. Still just spins. Bug. Wheel. After that not working, I had to obviously go back over everything and double check and see what's up, but I think, what is this? Heat. I may have found the issue. What is that little guy right there on top? Doesn't actually go to anything on the early models as far as I'm aware. But the one on the bottom, that I didn't see, is where that wire was supposed to go. So I don't think I was engaging the pinion at all, or the solenoid at all. So let's give it a shot. Fingers crossed. Ho ho. Oh. Ah! Guess who forgot to put the fucking oil filter on? Dumbass. And just like that, it's all cleaned up. Don't worry, it might be a little bit of a slick spot here and there. I took a couple of cans of brake clean. It's alright though. That's where it came from. Let's get that on.